What is up, guys? Supreme Seth here, and I am back with another video. And today's video, we're actually going to be making slime. And so, let's get started. First, you gotta get glue. It don't have to be how much glue, I just use it for this video. And you want to take the top off. And how much slime you want to put. You want to put as much glue as in there. So I'm probably going to put the whole thing. But you don't have to do the same thing I'm doing. Okay. So put the top back on. And then if you want to make it fluffy, you have to have shaving cream. I prefer this one because it's really good. I've been using it for slime a lot. And you just want to spray it on the slime. Okay, now, if you don't have borax, you can get it at Kroger or Walmart near you. And yeah. Now you want to get a spoon, and you want to get a spoonful of this borax, and you want to put it into the water. Now you just want to mix until it's all dissolved. Okay, so after you've done that, you want to go ahead and mix this until you make it smooth as you want it to be. And while you're doing that, you want to go ahead and pour some of this in it to make it more thick. Just a little bit. You don't want to pour a lot. I can already feel it thickening. You want to do this for a little while, and if it's not as thick as you want it to be, just keep pouring the borax, which I'm probably going to do right now. And you want to keep stirring it until it has the right texture. So you take it out and get neat. And this is when you want to start to put glitter or colors that you want. But I'm just going to keep it white. A little bit more. There we go. It's kind of getting hard. And then you want to feel it if it's sticky. If it's still sticky, keep stirring it until it gets hard, and then you want to start playing with it until it gets less sticky. And you want to get all the slime from around it. It's really sticky right now, but after a while I think it will get more hard. So then you want to start playing around with it. I think I did a really good job. Okay, so you just want to do that until it gets more hard. Okay, that will be the video today, guys. I hope this video helped you out, and see you guys later.